Okay, guys, look. We are the people that made these like little James and Giant peach buds and the peach, which I have in my hand right now. And we made the video, and so I got my first bud. Hold on. I got my first bud, Flash. I got my second bud that's attached to the peach. It's Rainbow. And then I got my third one, which is just the purple bud. Got my third one, Rainbow Blush. Okay, my friend's gonna be coming in to show hers. She made this one also.
Hi. I made this one, which is cotton candy. I made
Here.
help. This one, which is rainbow. And this one, which is sky.
And we also have friendship scrunchies.